Good morning, everyone. Children, take out your English workbook. Today, in English, we are going to do look and write of A sound words. Now, let's start. Our first picture is jam. The spelling of jam is J-A-M, jam. Now, we will write down J-A-M, J-A-M, jam. Our next picture is mat. The spelling of mat is M-A-T, mat. We will write down M-A-T, M-A-T, mat. Our next picture is tap. The spelling of tap is T-A-P, tap. We will write down T-A-P, T-A-P, tap. Our next picture is tag. The spelling of tag is T-A-G, tag. Now we will write down T-A-G, T-A-G, tag. Our next picture is bag. The spelling of bag is B-A-G, bag. We will write down B-A-G, bag, B-A-G, bag. Our next picture is lad. Children, lad means a boy or a young man. The spelling of lad is L-A-D, lad. We will write down L-A-D, L-A-D, lad. Next picture is map. Children, this is the map of our country, India. The spelling of map is M-A-P, map. We will write down M-A-P, M-A-P, map. Our next picture is cap. The spelling of cap is C-A-P, cap. We will write down C-A-P, C-A-P, cap. Now again, J-A-M, jam, M-A-T, mat, T-A-P, tap, T-A-G, tag, B-A-G, bag, L-A-D, lad, M-A-P, map, C-A-P, cap. Now children, you will do the same. Thank you.